With the new update, you can now share an entire sticker pack with any of your friends. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Open the chat conversation where you'd like to send the sticker pack. Next, tap the sticker icon located in the text message bar. Scroll down and locate the sticker pack you want to share. You will notice 3 dots next to the sticker pack name. If these are not visible, ensure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Now tap on the 3 dots. From the menu that appears, tap Send. Then tap the Send button. The sticker pack will be sent to the recipient, who can then download it by tapping the link. Keep in mind that you can only send sticker packs you have downloaded. Default sticker packs cannot be shared. So in this way, you can send sticker packs to anyone on WhatsApp.